The Type 10 is a fourth-generation main battle tank that the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force has been equipped with, and boasts significant enhancements in its capability to respond to anti-tank warfare, mobile strikes, special operations force attacks, and other contingencies. Overview: the TKX project aims to produce the new Type 10 main battle tank, to replace or complement the existing Type 74 and Type 90 main battle tanks that are currently in service with the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. Development began in the 1990s, and production was expected to start in 2010–2011. A prototype was revealed on February 13, 2008 at the Technology Research and Development Institute in Sagamihara. Heavy emphasis was placed on C4I capabilities as well as on performance, firepower, protection and mobility. The use of modular components significantly improves the side armor compared to the Type 90. The commander's panoramic sight has been moved to the right and is located at a higher position than the Type 90, giving the commander a wide range of view. According to a global security report, the vehicle is expected to be armed with a new 120-ohm smoothbore gun developed by Japan Steel Works, who also produce the Rheinmetall L44 120mm gun for the Type 90 MBT. There is an option for longer barrels of 50 and 55 calibers. The gun will fire newly developed APF SDS capable of penetrating 560mm of RHA, which is a significant increase compared to JM33 APF SDS. However, it is also compatible with all standard 120-ohm NATO ammunition. The vehicle's armor consists of the modular sections, providing the ability to mount varying degrees of protection depending on the mission profile as well as weight requirements. Vehicle weight is about 40 tons with a base configuration, and 48 tons when fully equipped. The prototype featured in 2008 at TRDI weighed 44 tons. The development costs as of 2008 are approximately JPY 48,400 million yen. Each unit is expected to cost approximately 700 million yen. The Japanese Ministry of Defense formally acknowledged the Type 10 in December 2009. In 2010, the Japanese Ministry of Defense placed a 12,400 million yen order for 13 Type 10 tanks. These Type 10 tanks entered JGSDF service in January 2012. Other features are as follows. Continuously variable transmission that allows the tank to reach 70 km/h forward as well as reverse. Autoloader with crew of 3. Hydropneumatic active suspension, which allows it to adjust its stance and absorbs recoil when firing. Day-night sights mounted around the turret, providing a full 360-degree coverage as well as providing input to the C4I system. The Type 10 tank is equipped with C4I system. This can be incorporated into the JGSDF network to enable sharing of information among tanks, as well as connected to the Infantry Euro unregistered trademark S outdoor computer network Euro OE Regiment Command Control System Euro, RECS, to facilitate integrated military operations with the infantry troops. On January 4, 2014, sources revealed that Turkey was interested in signing a joint development deal of tank engines based on the Type 10's engine. The technology of the Type 10's engine allows it to move backwards at a speed of 70 km/h. The engine was to power the Turkish Altay indigenous tank. However, negotiations broke down and the deal was off the agenda by March 2014. Reasons included Japan's stringent arms export ban laws, the intention of Turkey to attempt to export the Altay, and Japan Euro unregistered trademark S reluctance to license the joint engine. Gallery. See also, Type 61, Type 74, Type 90, Notes. References. Type 10 MBTX Prototype GlobalSecurity.org, Shinichi Kotani, Japan unveils TKX main battle tank prototype, Jane's Defense Weekly, Volume 45, Issue 9, February 27, 2008, PA 13, Japan unveils MBT prototype, Jane's Land Forces News. Accelerating Defense Acquisition, What Defense Can Learn from the World of Motorsport, Royal United Services Institute for Defense and Security Studies, RUSI Defense Systems, June 2008, PA81, PA82. IDG News Service video on the Type 10 tank, development report of JSDF New Tank 1, Japanese Ministry of Defense. Development report of JSDF New Tank 2, Japanese Ministry of Defense. Development report of JSDF New Tank 3, Japanese Ministry of Defense. Introduction of the aircraft Type 10 tank, Japan Defense Focus No. 33 column, October 2012, Japanese Ministry of Defense. New tank, Japanese Ministry of Defense TRDI, TRDI 50th Annual, Japanese Ministry of Defense TRDI. External links, TRDI official photos of Type 10 tank No. 1, TRDI official video of TKX tank, 10 a 1/4 Isha Euro to the 1st of Florin W Florin 1/4 of Florin a degree Florin JGSDF Type 10 MBT, Carwatch YouTube.